The air conditioning and heating system is designed to make you more comfortable in all types of weather. The manual temperature controls consist of a series of outer rotary dials. The blower control regulates the amount of air delivered through the ventilation system in any mode. There are multiple blower speeds. The blower speed increases as you rotate the dial to the right. The temperature dial regulates air temperature. Rotate the dial left into the blue area for cooler temperatures. Rotate right into the red for warmer temperatures. Use the mode dial to choose from several patterns of air distribution. Keep in mind, you'll get the best windshield and side window defrosting if you use the defrost mode with maximum blower and temperature settings. Push the air conditioning button to engage the air conditioning. Push the recirculation button to block outside air from entering the cabin. Keep in mind though, you cannot use the defrost mode when in the air recirculation mode. Push the rear window defrost button to engage the rear window defrost. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.